Today we are going to look at how to disable all cells except few, or how could we grant access for the users to edit or to access only limited cells. Let's select the area that we are going to give access to. Let's select from B2 to F13, and I'm going to put that as a table. Let's say my table has a header, and I want the users to access the information only in this table starting from B2 to F13. I'm going to select the range, right click, go to format cells and remove this option under protection, which means we are unlocking it. Click OK, go to the review menu and protect sheet, uncheck the first option which says select locked cells and give a password. Click OK. Again re-enter the password. OK. Now if you look at it, the end user will not be able to select anything other than this data range or the table that we specified. So I keep trying or I'm trying to select, it doesn't allow me there, and I can click anywhere on this table or the data range, and even if I keep pressing the enter key, it doesn't go beyond the table or it doesn't go beyond the range. This is not just with the range, we could also do it with multiple cells. Let's do that as well. Unprotect. Okay, let's assume I'm gonna select multiple cells and let us give it a color. Okay, let's give a blue color. I'm gonna right click, format cells and uncheck this. Click OK. Go to the review menu, protect sheet. This is already unchecked because we just did. I'm giving a password. OK. Re-entering the password. OK. Now if you look at it, when I keep pressing the enter key, when it reaches the last row and a column, it moves on to the individual cells and it doesn't move on to any other cell other than what we just unlocked it. So this is a best way where we could restrict the users to access only limited cells. If you have any questions, please drop a note on the comment section.